Hello, everyone. Welcome to Phone Transformer. In this video, I'm going to show you a cool trick that will let you how to change your IP address on your Android device. Step 1. Download and install VPN Super Unlimited Proxy. This app is free and easy to use, and you can find it on the Google Play Store. Just search for VPN Super Unlimited Proxy. Once you find it, tap on Install and wait for the app to download and install on your device. Step 2. Open the application. Once the app is installed, you can open it by tapping on its icon on your home screen or app drawer. You will see a simple interface with a big power button and a list of countries. The app will automatically select the best server for you, but you can also choose a different country if you want. For example, if you want to change your IP address to France, you can tap on the flag icon and select France from the list. Step 3. Toggle the switch to on. This is the final and easiest step. All you have to do is tap on the power button and wait for a few seconds until the app connects to the VPN server. You will see a notification on your screen that says VPN is on. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.